today's the day. Today I'm gonna go to IKEA with Slush. Woohoo! We're gonna buy some cool things. Slush! 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 Slush, where are you? Oh yeah, bloody diarrhea again. Oh, damn it. Slush! Slush, why'd you knock the table over again? Oh! Come in, Slush. Hey, Slush! Morning, buddy! You know what day it is today? You know what day it is? Slush, Slush, you know what day it is? Ah! Slush! Slush, stop eating me! Slush! Yep, that is right, Slush. We're going to IKEA. We are actually going to IKEA. Wait, hang on. Let me just check what time it is. Let me just check what time it is. Wait, hang on a minute. Hang on. Oh, it says on the microwave. Slush. It's almost 3 AM. Looks like we can't go, Slush. Damn it. What do you think? Ah, Slush! Slush, no! Slush! Right, listen, Slush. Right. I reckon we could go at least at 3 AM. What do you think? It's probably just a myth. Imagine believing that 3 AM's real. Slush! Slush, I'm about to die! Slush! Yeah, come on, Slush, let's get out of here. Come on, Slush, let's go. Alright, ready? We gotta go to the magic portal. We wanna go to the magic portal. Oh. Slush! Slush! Move back! Slush, move back. Slush, I'm stuck. Oh, good. Right, remember, we gotta go one person at a time. Ready? Alright, here we go. Right, when we go into the magic portal, it'll take us to the destination we want to go. IKEA! Whoa, Slush, I feel weird. Ah! Oh, Slush, where are we? Where are we? Whoa, Slush. Whoa. Slush, I'm pretty scared, bro. Pretty scared. Hello? Come on, Slush, come on. Come on. Come on, Slush. Wait, where's EPD? Where is he? I'm genuinely scared. I'm genuinely scared. Whoa, Slush. Come on, you lead the way, I'll follow you, okay? Alright. We'll go, Charlie. I mean, Slush. Yeah, that was your old name. Oh. I keep calling you Charlie because of Learning with Charlie, that new YouTube channel that came out. Oh, they've cancelled it already. Dummy. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god, Slush, what do we do? Whoa! What was that? What was that? Slush, I just remembered it's 3 AM. Slush! Slush, something just moved. Come here. Slush, something just moved. What was that? Oh my god, Slush. I'm genuinely scared. Oh, come on, Slush. Why are you so quiet? You need to speak. So quiet. What are your thoughts of this? What do you think of it? Spooky? Scary, I know, it's kind of scary. What happened to your brother, mate? What happened to your brother? Oh yeah, he's dead. I'm really sad. What is this? Ah! It's a trap! Whoa, Slush. Why is there blood here? Slush. Why the hell is there blood? Slush. Oh, God. Slush. This kind of looks like when you have bloody diarrhea in the bathroom. Speaking of bloody diarrhea, you had one today. You forgot to wipe the walls. You forgot to clean the walls, you know. Ah, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Slush. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Remember, relax. Deep breath in. Deep breath out, Slush. Remember, right. Breathe. I know you get angry when people talk about your bloody diarrhea. Come on, let's just go. Let's carry on. Oh! Why are you being such a meanie today? You're such a meanie today. You're being a rate meanie. Wait. Hang on, let me look into your eyes. Slush. Are you possessed? Oh, no wonder he was hitting me! Oh my god, it's not actually Slush! Guys, it is not actually Slush! Oh my god, guys. No wonder he was hitting me. The real Slush would not do that. Oh my god, he actually is possessed. Oh my god. Bro, I'm actually scared. No! Oh god, I'm actually scared. I'm actually scared. Oh god. I gotta hide somewhere. Guys. Guys, I see him, guys. Guys, we gotta be quiet. He's possessed. He's possessed, guys. Slush! Listen, Slush. I know it's you in there. I know you're in there, Slush. I know you're in there. Listen, I know it's not the real you, Slush. Hey! I know you're in there. No! I know you're in there, Slush. Remember the time we killed all those Grulians on Mars? Remember that? Slush, remember that? Slush. Come on, Slush, it's me, Slush. Come on. Yeah, Slush. Come on, Slush. Are you back? Woohoo! You know what it's time for? Yeah, he's back. Wait. Where's the ghost? Slush! Run, Slush! The ghost is here with us. We've got to get out of here before it possesses you again. Come on, Slush. Oh god. Slush, what do we do? Slush, what do we actually do? Slush, what do we actually do? What do we do? Get out! Okay, Slush. Come on, Slush, come on, over here. Come on, keep running. Oh no, Slush, we've got to turn on the lights. It's not working, Slush, it's not working. You did it, Slush. Oh, phew. Oh god, phew, you did it, Slush. Oh, wow. Yeah, woohoo! Yeah, baby, we're getting home. We're going home. Me and Slush are going. I didn't know you felt like that, Slush. I never knew you hated me, Slush. Never knew that. Never knew it. I'm sorry, Slush. Please, I thought we were friends. Oh, you pranked me. Oh, Slush, you and your pranks. Oh, wow. But seriously though, I've got a bullet in my arm, so we need to go to the hospital. Yeah. Come on, Slush, let's go. Wait. Oh, Slush, we need to say the magic words. Remember what they are. Remember?
Nope.
You don't remember?
Nope.
Mongolo.
Nope.
Remember?
Nope.
We've got to keep saying it. Alright.
Nope.
What we're going to do is we're going to get to a high place.
Okay.
Mongolo, yeah. Go over there. Slush.
Okay.
Alright, ready, Slush, ready?
Okay.
Alright, we go. Right, we gotta sit down and meditate.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Ready? Look up and down. Keep looking up and down. Ready? Here we go. Mongolo. 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 Mongolo.